Currently, there are many AI applications for generating videos and images. Today, I am going to introduce the best AI video generating application that you can use for free. Compared to the other AI generated video application I have experienced so far, this one stands out. It is completely free so far and the quality of the generated video is very high. You can generate a 5 seconds long video clip at once. So let's see how to generate and enhance image and videos from this site. Currently, there are many AI applications for generating videos and images. Today, I am going to introduce the best AI video generating application that you can use for free. Compared to the other AI generated video application I have experienced so far, this one stands out. It is completely free so far and the quality of the generated video is very high. You can generate a 5 seconds long video clip at once. So let's see how to generate and enhance image and videos from this site. First, go to the website Vivago.AI. Next, you need to log in. For that, you can use your Gmail or Discord account. Once you log in, you will see a screen like this. Click on video in the menu and you can type the prompt for the video you wish to generate inside the text box. For the demonstration purpose, I will use simple prompt to generate a video and show it to you. So the prompt I use here, fast moving car on the highway. So all you need to do is type the prompt correctly and click the generate button. After the clicking button, a few seconds later, you will see that high quality video related to your prompt has been generated. So you can download the video by clicking the download button here. Next, we are going to discuss another feature of this application, that is image to video feature, where you can upload an image and generate a video using that image. For that, I will select an image from here and upload it. Here you can choose the aspect ratio for the video you want to generate. I use the 16:9 aspect ratio here. Okay, let's generate this now. So here is the video I generated from that image. It is highly realistic in nature. Another special feature of Vivago.AI is the magic prompt. This feature interprets your original prompt according to your instruction and optimizes it to enhance the variety and beauty of the images generated. The prompt I provided is monkey dance with wearing sunglasses. Let's see how Vivago.AI will write this prompt using magic prompt. Here is the magic prompt that was just created. Now let's click the generate button to generate the video using the magic prompt we have just created. Wow, here is the video that was just created. It is a colorful video with an awesome background. We can also generate image using this AI website. I am going to try that now. So I switch to image from the top menu. After that, I enter the prompt. A dog and cat are laughing on the beach. We can add tags according to our choices for the video we wish to generate. You can see many tags related to color, viewpoint, emotion, etc. So just like before, I click the generated button to create these images. At this point, you can select how many images you want to generate from here. From here, you can select the aspect ratio. So here are generated images. Now there's another feature available. You can generate another image based on the existing image. Therefore, you can provide a suitable prompt here to generate an image to image. The prompt I am providing is as follows. There is a big tree standing at the left corner. Realistic. Let's generate this now. Great. Now generate two images. So this application has image to text feature. So this application has an image to text feature. That means when we provide an image, we can get its description as a text. Therefore, I am using an image I have already created of a smiling dog and cat. I will describe it and convert it into text like this. After that, we can use that text as a prompt to generate another image like this. So here are two images generated in the way. In addition to generate images and videos, this site offers many other valuable features related to image editing free of charge. Here you can select an object in an image and write a text prompt to replace that object with different one. For instance, I replace the cat in this image with the television. Additionally, you can expand images in this manner as well as enhance them. Moreover, it is possible to remove an object from an image and use a text prompt to replace it. To know more like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get notification as soon as I posted the video, click the bell icon.